Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Going on with our day, we are taking a drive in our 1970 Ford Mach 1. Yes, one of the Mach 1s that actually have style. As you know, recently we've had the later early 70s models come in. Yet again, nothing beats the true 70 that we are driving right now. Going to the one we have featuring a glamorous red exterior. And even so, you may look at it a little bit and wonder, yeah, that looks red, a little bit magenta. But of course, the way we see it is the way it has a beautiful red. Even so, with the hood scoop on it, 351 logos coming from the hood. Even so, with that hood, you have the lock and pins in it. But even one of the craziest things about these generations of the Mach 1 was the built-in turn signals into the actual scoop right there as you look right through the middle. But even so, with the back, you have the rear glass louvers on it. Make sure that no high beams are coming on late at night. Even so, with the rear spoiler on it. And let's not forget the 5-spoke Mustang wheels with the white letter tires on it. Looking on the inside, however, you will see it has an automatic on the floor. We have a full-on red and black interior combination, which matches perfectly to the exterior of this car. Looking at it a little bit more, you will see we have the appropriate 3-spoke Mustang wheel. Fun fact about these wheels was the fact the horn was always built in right here to this side. Never in the center, of course. But looking at our cluster, you will see we have all working cages from a fine wooden cluster. And even so, looking across the side there, you'll see above the glove box, we have an actual working clock with the Mach 1 logo. But of course, as we see, we have lap belts. We have the fold down back seat. Even for our audio system, we have the appropriate Philco 2-knob radio AM. But that's the best part of you getting it from Skyway Classics. It is definitely the way you want when driving a car. But looking at it into the engine bay, you will see we have the 351 underneath the hood, painted it at Ford blue. Even so, having upgraded valve covers, power steering and power brakes, of course, disc in the front. But looking at it a little bit more, the underneath is just as solid. Powerful rear end and of course a powerful style motor. But before we end the video, we are just going to open it up a little bit, give you the feel of the fine little automobile in front of us. Of course, I do want to mention with this car, it does have a Marti report. It has a sheet of when the previous owners had it. That is one of the best things you can get when buying a Ford Mach 1, especially from Skyway Classics, when you have a little bit of paperwork to go with it. But of course, it's not always about documentation. It is about enjoying the ride, feeling the ride, and living your early age of fun and excitement. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.